I do not like that the budget hearing of the Office of the Vice President be terminated. I know we have the rights as a minority bloc, Madam Chair. So may we explain why we vote no?
With all due respect, this representation would like to request Honorable Castro to just please submit the manifestation to the
I
Committee
object,
on
Madam Chair.
Appropriations.
So,
And the
can I have the
budget
floor,
presentation
Madam
has already
Chair?
been terminated. So, we would like to
So, Madam
request
Chair, hindi
Her
natin
Honor
ito
to submit the
inaasahan.
presentation.
Madam Chair, yung ganitong
And once again,
proceedings.
this budget briefing is
At meron
suspended.
po tayong meron po tayong issue na dapat na pakinggan ng ating taong bayan at masagot ng Office of the Vice President. So, Madam Chair, kaya talagang kailangan maipaliwanag itong 125 million. At sinabi naman sa statement ni Vice President Duterte na mag-explain. So, Madam Chair, I have the right to explain why I voted no. Kailangan malaman itong 125 million na not confidential fund pero ginastos ng Office of the Vice President at kung saan